Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Live healthy and strong.